Assalamu alaikum my people, how are you? I just say let me use a universal language to see whether my video will go viral. It's been a while I didn't post a video. As you can see, the shop is very dirty, plenty job because I'm too busy. So I just rushed to make this video. This is Techno Pop 7 bF6 brought me date. As I test the phone, I saw it stuck on DC power supply at 0.10 milliamp. So I know it is a boot issue. Since since the phone is brought to me by engineer, I know they have tried like software issue, like they try to flash the phone, maybe it doesn't work, then they decide to bring it to me. So as I remove the emmc to confirm whether it is okay or not, as I test it to on EasyJet, I find out that many damages, like the storage capacity, the boot size and so on. So I try to replace the emmc with another one, which is Samsung one. Then I reveal it. I told you that you guys don't shall not mind my tongue, since I'm engineer doesn't speak good English. If you don't agree, argue with your keyboard. So let's back to business. I update the emmc firmware with UEFI, since it is Samsung and it will be passed. So as I update it and I program the emmc to the CPU level, then I install it back on the PCB. Then after installation, I hit it so that it will sit gently. As I hit it, it is on melting point now. So after installation, then I will use Pandora box to write the software. So I set it to SPD, which is Premium. Then I select the firmware and I set the CPU type. Then I click right and I plug my USB on the phone. As you can see, the emmc sit well and it is starting flashing. Now the firmware is writing. Okay, this flashing is almost done now. The phone is booting now. It shows Techno logo and it is on second boot now. The power is processing. Now it's finished booting. I will set it, like I will sign it. Now I'm signing the phone into the main interface. Okay, job done, phone done show. Let me enter file manager and show you the storage. It is 64 gig. This is Samsung, the strong one, the Okange one. This one will die with the phone. So job done. Rate my English. See you guys on next video.